Hello everybody, it's Stuart here from Western Honda in Stirling. Just wanted to put up a little post on this car that we have in stock at the moment. This is a Honda Civic 1.4 Sport, petrol model, manual. The car was registered in 2016. It's only done 34,000 miles, so very low mileage. The sport model was a special edition about 3 years ago now, in the previous model obviously. Black alloy wheels, you've got the black tinted out windows and the rear trim at the back there as well. Lovely looking car, very well spec'd. You've got satellite navigation, you've got air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, parking sensors, even a reversing camera as well. So you get lots for your money. This car's at our Stirling branch at Craigleith Road. We've just reduced this car down to 9696, and with a £500 deposit you can have that for £168 a month. The car is sold under our approved used programme, so you'll get a full year's warranty, a year's breakdown assistance, as well as servicing and MOTs, which will all be done for you, ready for you collecting the car. It's a lovely car, really well worth looking at. If you're considering this type of vehicle, then it would be a strong contender. It's a lovely one owner vehicle with a full service history. If you're interested, give us a call on 01786 234 200. We can arrange a test drive, and you can pop down with us, have a little look at this car, and we can have a look at your part exchange if you've got one. You'd be more than welcome. Give us a bell, speak to one of the sales team and make an appointment. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.